Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the Writing 2 class. This is our last week of the whole week in online tutorial Universitas Terbuka. I would like to remind you, don't forget to complete all of the tasks, task 1 until task 3, and also the discussion forum, start from the first until the second week. This week, we are going to learn about writing an imaginary story. Yeah, when you want to write an imaginary story, the first step is you should understand the questions and the requirement. You should understand the word limitations and the use of conditional sentence or the if clauses. The second one, you should pay attention of your structure of your writing. And the last one, you should pay attention to the grammar and spelling. This is the example of the imaginary story you can read by yourself. And then, this slide also explain about conditional in unreal present. Actually, there are three kinds of if clauses. Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. But in this kind of text, we are going to learn and discuss only about if clauses that can be used to tell about unreal situations or conditions. If clause in Type 2. Yeah, the formula is if plus subject plus simple past tense, and then you should use the word would. Another thing that we are going to discuss is about reported speech. You can read by yourself to learn more about what is reported speech, and if you still do not understand about this, don't forget to read and also watch additional resources supplied in this week. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for watching, and we will meet again in the next semester in another kind of course. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.